नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में वर्ल्ड पीपल्स असेंबली के तत्वाधान में सिनेमा एंड सिनेरियोज ऑफ अ न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑफ कॉन्शियस यूनिटी विषय पर एक भव्य राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया गया। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत पारंपरिक दीप प्रज्वलन और गणेश वंदना के साथ हुई। इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन में इंटरनेशनल चैम्बर ऑफ मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, वर्ल्ड पीपल्स असेंबली रूस के सेक्रेटरी जनरल वैलेरी रूजिन, बीफा यूएई के प्रेसिडेंट सलीम हुमेद अमजानी, अलियोना डोल्गोपोलोवा सहित कई देशों जैसे भारत, रूस, फ्रांस, हंगरी, यूएई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूएसए, इरिट्रिया, सर्बिया से लोगों ने भाग लिया। कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करते हुए डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने कहा कि सिनेमा केवल मनोरंजन का माध्यम नहीं है, बल्कि ये विश्व को जोड़ने वाली एक सशक्त भाषा है। उन्होंने कॉन्शियस यूनिटी यानी जागरूकता, एकता की आवश्यकता पर जोर देते हुए कहा कि सिनेमा इस दिशा में अहम भूमिका निभा सकता है। वहीं अन्य वक्ताओं ने भी अपने विचार साझा करते हुए कहा कि सिनेमा और कला की शक्ति सीमाओं से परे है। ये न सिर्फ समाज का आईना है, बल्कि एक बेहतर और शांतिपूर्ण विश्व के निर्माण की प्रेरणा भी देती है। कार्यक्रम के दौरान डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा के जीवन, उनके योगदान और मीडिया जगत में उनकी उपलब्धियों पर आधारित एक विशेष डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म की स्क्रीनिंग की गई। इसके अलावा विभिन्न फिल्मों का प्रदर्शन और प्रेजेंटेशन के माध्यम से विशेषज्ञों व प्रतिभागियों ने अपने विचार साझा किए। इस अवसर पर दूसरे हॉल में आयोजित पेंटिंग एग्जीबिशन का उद्घाटन भी सभी अतिथियों द्वारा किया गया। कार्यक्रम के समापन पर डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी अतिथियों को मोमेंटो भेंट कर सम्मानित किया।
What a pleasure to be here. This is a World Public Summit second day. The first day, the grand opening was there at a Hyatt hotel, and the second day, the summit has taken place at Marwah Studios. People from different parts of the world, they're right here to discuss peace. And the most important part of the summit is that how to bring peace through art and culture. And I think people know it very well. From last 40 years, we've been actually propagating love, peace and unity through art and culture. And I'm so happy that so many countries have actually realized what all we've been actually talking. So we have a wonderful delegation from Russia. We had people from France, Serbia, UAE. Then we have people from Hungary today, and all of them are part and parcel of a creative world. And through dialogues, we have come to the conclusion that how well we can actually bring people close to each other through art and culture.
How cinema can change unity?
See, cinema has always been a bigger brother of communication. What we try to show in cinema through stories, it touches your heart, it touches your mind, and the kind of it all depends the kind of a film now you are projecting and whether that film has done well or not. A good film. Which has done well, that means it has communicated well to the audience. And the cinema is only one thing where probably in a one single hall, when you have 1,000 people watching cinema, nobody is bothered about their caste, creed, religion, region, status, color, region. They're only worried about what is going to show or what is actually being played on the screen, and that unites people so well. In the same manner, we have today discussed how the food culture, how the television, how media, how dance and drama, fine arts, performing arts, they all can actually bring people of different countries close to each other. And I'm happy that we have offered a large number of scholarships to the different countries to send their students to India for a short-term course so that they can actually learn the culture of India. We have also offered them a free time on our radio station, Radio Noida, Radio Mumbai, Radio Raipur. We have also offered them a free time on our OTT channel MSTV so that people can relate themselves to India comfortably.
Oh, that was a very fruitful discussion. We have touched the topics of new media, of documentaries, of the film production, and especially the cooperation between Russia and India to be once again rising up in our relations.
Why is theme important today?
This topic is mostly important today as one of our speakers at the roundtable has just announced a beautiful phrase said by one special person in France, which was telling that the 21st century is the century of spirituality, and that if we are not spiritual enough, the humankind will not survive. This is a very important phrase which shows and reflects the society which we are living now, and this concrete moment we are changing into spiritual human beings. And the main topic of our World Public Summit, which we just held in India, is a spiritual strength to boost up the willingness for the peace in the world. So I think that this discussion was more than important today, because the cinema influences the minds of people, and with the help of cinema and media we can build up the positive agenda right now.
Thank you.
I would like to say something first. My name is Hussein. I'm Eritrean background. At the moment, I'm Australian citizen. I came from a very small country in the planet, like they call it Eritrea. Eritrea is only 3.5 million to 5 million. Maybe we reach now, they say it's 7 million. But most of the people, they flee of the country because we've got the most heinous dictator government in Eritrea. So a lot of young people like you, they flee of the country or they do a job in the military service. So today, when he said, I wanted to give opportunity for young person to have a training here, I was so impressed and I was so happy to let some of our young people who are lost hope to come to do the training. Another things as well, before I came to India, I had a lot of bad image. Everybody told me, don't go there, don't eat outside, don't make friends from them. You know, they giving a bad image. But when I came, I completely find India is one of the greatest heritage country and diverse and civilian and honest people that make my change my mind about it. So I like the food, I like the people, I like the hospitality. Well, look, I came with incredible image, and I'm going to tell that to all my colleagues, my friends who are in India.